Hi, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we are going to cover the k sound in Vietnamese. So are you ready? Let's get started. To pronounce the k sound, your mouth should be opened horizontally, like you're smiling a little bit. And remember that the k sound is a back sound. So back of your tongue presses up against the soft palate. And your tongue should be tense and hard. And the k sound is a stop sound, so you push the air out of your mouth and then immediately cut off the sound. Okay, so let's try to say the sound k, k, k. Let's try some words with the k sound. Có, cá, kim, kê. Okay, so the k sound is spelled by the letter C or the letter K. So the letter C and the letter K, they are exactly the same in pronunciation, but they are different in spelling rules. Okay, let's figure it out. The K sound is followed by vowels like E, E, and we have the words like kim, can, kỹ. And the letter C is followed by remaining vowels like a, o, u, u. And we have the words like ca, cô, cơm, cắn, khấm, etc. is written by the letter C. Now let's try to say some words with the k sound. The first word is cơm, cũng, cốc, cứng, câm, kính, kênh, cam, con kiến, con cá, con cò, con công, kiên cường, kim cương, kiểm kê, con kiến, kiện, củ khoai. Now let's try to say it a little bit faster. Con kiến, kiện, củ khoai. Kiên có con cá cơm. Kiên có con cá cơm. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to download the text